So for ranking your YouTube video to number 1 in the search results of YouTube, there are 4 things involved. The first one is video's title, second comes the thumbnail, third in this list is description, and the fourth and the final thing is video's tags. So how can you make your video SEO friendly, and how you can do the SEO of all these things that I've just mentioned and create a masterpiece that ranks number 1 through ChatGPT. So let's first generate the SEO friendly and a good title for your video. Now there are 2 ways for generating a good title for your YouTube video. The first one is you can say to ChatGPT like, I have created a video about earning money through YouTube. For example, this is the thing that you have explained in your video. Next you have to write, suggest me SEO friendly and eye-catching YouTube video title ideas and hit enter. Now it will suggest the SEO friendly and excellent titles which will relate to your story. You can choose any topic from all the suggested topics by ChatGPT. Now you can see that all of these titles are SEO friendly, they have the good keywords, and they are also eye-catching. And the second way of generating a good title is, for example, you have already created a video and now you are going to write the SEO friendly title for it. So you can say to ChatGPT, make this video title better and SEO friendly. And we'll just put a colon here and we'll write the topic, how to earn money through YouTube, and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will again suggest the best titles related to your video. So that's how you first of all generate the good title for your video, which will help your video to rank number 1 in the YouTube search terms, and your video may also get ranked in the Google search. So once you have decided the title, next comes the description. Alright, we are talking to ChatGPT about this title, which is how to earn money through YouTube. Now ChatGPT knows that what you are talking about. So you can directly say to ChatGPT, also give me the SEO friendly video description, and hit enter. Now let's see what it does with it. And here starts the description of your video about earning money through YouTube. Just scroll down and copy all the passage, and you can directly paste this passage to your YouTube video, which is SEO friendly, and it will also help your video to get ranked. And you can also customize the video description according to your desire. For example, if you want a lengthy description, you can also say to ChatGPT, expand it, and as soon as you'll press enter, it will write a longer description of your YouTube video. So now we are done with 2 different things. The first one is we have chosen a title. The second one is we have generated the SEO friendly and keywords rich description for your YouTube video. Now the next thing comes the thumbnail. The thumbnail plays the most important role for ranking a YouTube video to number 1 because it increases the click-through rate of your video. So now let's say to ChatGPT, now suggest me the thumbnail ideas for the same topic, and hit enter. Now let's see what thumbnail ideas it gives to us. For example, the first idea here is a screenshot of your YouTube channel homepage with the words earn money written in bold letters. The second idea is a graphic or image of a pile of money or a money tree with the title of video overlaid. So you can take a look with all these thumbnail ideas and you can choose one of them and create your thumbnail accordingly. So this was the third thing, and we have now generated a good title, a description, and now we have choose a good thumbnail idea from here, and we will make our thumbnail according to any of these ideas which you'll like. The last thing here in this list is videos tags. Now we can say suggest SEO friendly video tags and hashtags, and hit enter. Now the hashtags that it will suggest, you have to paste those hashtags in the description of your video, and the video tags that it will suggest, you have to paste in the tags section of your video. For example, these tags here are the hashtags. You can copy 3 good hashtags from here and all these video tags in the tag section of your video. So you have to just ask ChatGPT to generate these things for you, and you can, as it is, copy these things from here. You can generate a title, a good thumbnail, a video description, and the video tags from here. So that's how you use ChatGPT to rank your video #1 in the YouTube search results. Now if you want to know that how you can use ChatGPT effectively for essay writing, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. You can go watch out that video. I'll see you there. And if you have any of the questions or suggestions relative to this specific video, you can put a comment below. And if you want more videos about the fusion of YouTube and ChatGPT, you can also tell me in the comments. See you in that video displaying in the end screen. Have a good day.